Hello! I've had a request to do a video of how I install the zipper pulls on my zippers. So I'm going to demonstrate that for you the best I can. This is the method that I use to install the zipper pulls. It may not work best for you, so I'm encouraging you to explore, watch different videos. There's a lot on Facebook and YouTube all over the place that show you different techniques on how to do this. This is what works best for me. So, we're going to start. I have my zipper pull here. This is a number 5 zipper pull. Let me back it up a little bit so that it's focused a little better. So you can see that there's a gap on the side, or I slot on the side toward the bottom of the pull on the opposite side of the pull tab. So you it's not auto-focusing, so you can kind of see that there. A lot of white kind of covers it up. So it's important to make sure that your zipper tape is turned the correct way. So if you look at the end of your zipper tape, you'll see that this area here where the teeth, or in this case the coil is raised from the tape. So your tape, or the fabric along the side of the zipper tape, is going to go into that little slot on the side. And so I'm going to show you how I achieve that with a fork. I'm too cheap to spend $70 on a piece of equipment to clamp to my table, so I made my own. I'm just using one of these little clamps, and this is a fork that I have bent like crazy. So it just gets clamped right to the edge of my sewing table. Now I like to put it on upside down, so I'm going to take my pull, turn it upside down, and just slip it between the tines of the fork with the front of the zipper facing forward, facing away from me. So you can kind of see the slots there a little bit. I tried to adjust my camera so that you could see a little better. So now I'm going to hold my tape upside down and pull it apart. It does not like to come apart. So I'm going to try to angle these in like this. This is the shape that I'm working with when I'm putting my zipper pull together. And so I'm going to line it up. I like to get one side in there first, not all the way through. You can see there's about 1/8 of an inch on the right side from the edge of the zipper tape to the bottom of the pull. And then I put the other one in until I can feel it rubbing against the teeth of the other side. And then I just push. Now it does sometimes take a couple of pulls, and once I get right here, I look at the bottom to see if it's even, and it's not. I'm not going to pull it all the way out, just part of the way, and try again, and there we go. Now that is even on the bottom. You can see that there. So this zipper is ready to be installed. So I just pull it up like this, grab my pull on the bottom side of my fork, and pull it off. And there's our zipper installed. I hope that helps explain it to the person who asked in the comment section, and anyone else who might find it useful. Thank you so much for stopping in today, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.